On today's Kayak Fishing and Adventure channel, a man gets out of the kayak. Well, I guess about that time to get out and walk. A boy paddles his kayak in shallow water. Everybody's got some other idea, a way to do things. Another boy waves at the camera. Morning, Florida Tight Lines Fishing here. Leaving the house with the kids in tow and a trailer as well. And see if you can see it in the background there. It's a new kayak rack system that we put together last night with the help of my two sons. And so we're heading out. We're gonna see what's going on. We're gonna try the Chaz whiskey out again. So it's Saturday morning, it's early. The sun's just peeking up and it's chilly out. Cool 61 degrees here in Florida. Anyways, good times to come. Here we are at the Chaz, bluebird skies, dead low tide, wintertime tide. I'm gonna go to a place called the Crack. See if we can't make it in there. It's a shallow water place. It's kind of exclusive because you have to have a shallow running boat or a kayak, actually. I'm trying to get a live action shot of a fish being reeled in, being caught. It's gonna be one of those days, kind of windy out. Temperature right now is about 65 degrees. It's gonna warm up to maybe 75. Wind's blowing pretty good though, but it's okay wind. It's out of the southwest right now, and see what we can do. Ospreys are out fishing, squawking. Red-tailed hawks are out. Let's see if the fish are out here in a minute. I'm just floating down the river right now with the wind and the current, which makes it nice. Not fighting it or anything. We'll see what we got. Florida Tight Lines Fishing here. Yeah, it's a fight to get up in here. Current's going pretty good. It's going to be a fun ride out. Boy, is it shallow right now. Leads into the Crack. Sure is shallow. Oh, there's a raccoon. See if you can see that raccoon up there by the water. There he is. they do wash their food. They are pretty cleanly, unless they have rabies. They're searching for snails and crabs. Yeah, here we are coming out. A lot of people up in here. A lot of kayakers today. So we're just gonna I think this place is over kayak.